Have you been on the fence about rent versus buy? You're not sure if you're ready to make that move yet? Well, Andy with the Dameron Group here. Today we're going to talk about some of the reasons that you might want to consider when thinking about renting versus buying. Some of the things you should consider if you're renting right now would be, number one, do you want to be the king and queen of your own castle? Right now, you're paying someone else's mortgage and building their equity for them when you could be doing it for yourself. As a real estate agent, I hear all the time, Andy, I'm going to wait until the housing market cools off. Well, if you think that the housing market is hot, look at the rental rates. Typically, we see between 1% and 4% of renewal increases on rentals. Last year in Charlotte, we saw almost 20%. So again, if you're trying to build equity, why not build your own? Once we find you the right home and we lock in that price, your mortgage payment is going to stay the same for the entire life of the loan. I can't say the same about your rent. Another benefit of buying that people often don't think about would be the tax benefits. Now, I'm not a CPA, so definitely reach out to the professionals, but there can be tax benefits to buying versus renting. Lastly, a benefit that people often don't think about is that your mortgage payment could be less than your rental payment. So if you're still on the fence about renting versus buying, we would love to have a conversation with you. Please reach out to the Dameron Group. We're happy to help.